You're messing around with a filter that turns your selfie into a Studio Ghibli character. Those soft, dreamy vibes straight out of Totoro or Spirited Away. It's cute, it's fun, right? But what if I told you that adorable filter is hiding something super shady? Stick around, because we're about to expose what Ghibli AI is really doing with your face. This is gonna blow your mind. Let's dive in.
To a Ghibli anime cartoon.
Ghibli-style Ghibli. Social media has become a living Ghibli movie.
The legendary animator and co-founder of Studio Ghibli.
Alright friends, you've seen those Ghibli AI filters taking over TikTok, Instagram, and X, right? They're everywhere, turning your boring selfies into gorgeous anime portraits that look like they belong in a Hayao Miyazaki movie. Big eyes, soft colors, total Princess Mononoke energy. It's like the internet's obsessed, and honestly, it's hard to resist. Who doesn't want to look like a Ghibli hero? But here's the deal. Those cute filters are more than just a fun game. They're a sneaky trap, and while you're busy giggling at your anime self, these apps are grabbing something way more valuable. Your face. Today, we're ripping the mask off Ghibli AI and exposing what they're hiding from you. No boring tech stuff, just straight up facts, wild stories, and a whole lot of wait what moments to keep you glued to this video. Let's do this. If you've been online lately, you know what's up. Ghibli-style selfies are everywhere. It all kicked off around January 2025 when apps like Photor, AIEs, and even ChatGPT dropped filters that let you transform your pic into a Miyazaki masterpiece. According to a post on X, over 60 million people used these filters in just a few weeks. That's like the entire population of France jumping on this trend. Even celebs are hooked. Word on the street is that stars like Billie Eilish and Ryan Reynolds posted their Ghibli-fied faces on Instagram, racking up millions of likes. It's like the whole world screaming, "Make me a Ghibli character." And I get it. It's fun, it's magical, and it feels harmless. You snap a selfie, hit a button, and boom, you're ready to star in Howl's Moving Castle. But here's where things get creepy. Those apps aren't just playing dress up with your pic. They're after something much bigger. Why your face is a gold mine. Let's keep it real. Your face isn't just a photo, it's like a secret code that unlocks you. It's called biometric data, and it's a huge deal. Your face can open your phone, get you through airport security, or even let apps figure out if you're happy or stressed. Companies and governments are straight up obsessed with this stuff because it's unique to you, like a fingerprint. When you upload your selfie to a Ghibli AI app, you're giving them a perfect high-quality shot of your face. Exactly what they want. And the wild part? Most of us don't even blink. Those adorable filters are like a shiny distraction, making you forget you're handing over something super personal. It's like giving a stranger your diary because they offered you candy. Sounds sketchy, right? That's because it is. So what's the big secret these apps are hiding? Buckle up because this is where it gets juicy. Ghibli AI apps don't just say, "Hey, we're taking your face to do whatever we want." Nope, they hide it behind cute vibes and sparkly promises. They know you love Studio Ghibli's wholesome feel-good reputation. Think My Neighbor Totoro cuddles. And they're using that to make you trust them. But here's the truth. When you use these filters, you're signing away a lot more than you think. You know those annoying terms of service you skip through? A 2025 TechCrunch article dug into some of these apps and found super shady stuff. Many say they can store your photos, share them with partners, or use them to train their AI. That means your cute Ghibli selfie could end up in a massive database, used for who knows what, ads, facial recognition, you name it. And it gets worse. Some of these apps aren't even from your country. Ex-users have been calling out companies based in places like China or Russia, where privacy laws are basically non-existent. Imagine handing your face to a company that doesn't care about keeping it safe. It's like tossing your wallet into a crowd and hoping nobody takes it. What are they doing with your face? Okay, so why are these companies so desperate for your selfie? One word: money. Your face is worth a fortune. Companies use it to build facial recognition tech, which they sell to advertisers, stores, even governments. A 2025 Forbes report said the facial recognition market is set to hit $12 billion by 2027. That's a lot of cash, and your Ghibli selfie is helping them get there. Ever wonder why ads seem to follow you around? That's because your data, including your face, is being tracked. These companies take your photo, analyze it, and sell the info to whoever's paying. A viral X post from March 2025 claimed one user spotted their Ghibli-fied face in an ad for a random app they'd never heard of. Creepy, right? But it's not just about ads. There's a darker side. Experts on Reddit and X have warned that facial data could be used for surveillance. Picture this. Your Ghibli selfie ends up in a system that tracks where you go, what you buy, or even how you're feeling. A 2024 Washington Post story said facial recognition is already being used in stores to catch shoplifters. Now imagine your face in that mix, all because you wanted to look like a Ghibli character. They're playing you with nostalgia. Here's what really grinds my gears. These apps are smart. They know Studio Ghibli's wholesome vibes make you let your guard down. It's like they're wrapping a scam in a warm, fuzzy blanket. You're so busy laughing at your anime self that you don't notice what you're giving away. And it's not just one app pulling this trick. The Ghibli AI craze has spawned tons of copycats. Shady apps with names like Anime Dream or Ghibli Spark. Some are legit, but others, total ghosts. A Reddit thread from February 2025 flagged apps that disappeared after collecting thousands of selfies. Poof, gone, along with your face. Even big names like Snapchat and TikTok have Ghibli-style filters, but don't think they're innocent. Both have been sued for collecting biometric data without clear permission. A 2025 BBC report said TikTok shelled out $92 million to settle a case about mishandling user info. So, when you're messing with their filters, are you really in the clear? I wouldn't bet on it. They're betting you won't notice. Let's be honest, most of us don't read the fine print. These companies know that. They flash those pretty Ghibli visuals and we're like, take my photo, I want to be a forest spirit. But that trust is what they're counting on. Take ChatGPT's image feature. It's backed by OpenAI, so it feels safe, right? Wrong. Their privacy policy says they can keep your uploads for research unless you opt out. And good luck finding that option buried in the settings. A 2025 X post went viral when someone found their Ghibli selfie in a random AI demo video. No warning, no consent, just their face out there for the world to see. And here's the kicker. Your face could be used for way more than ads. Companies can train AI to mimic emotions, predict what you'll buy, or even create deepfakes. You know those freaky videos where someone's face is swapped onto another person? Your Ghibli selfie could be next, and you'd never know. Want proof this isn't just hype? Let's talk real stories. In January 2025, a TikTok user went viral after claiming their Ghibli-fied photo was used in a shady dating app ad. They never signed up for it, but there was their face, smiling like a Miyazaki character. Thousands of comments poured in, with others saying they'd seen their own selfies pop up in weird places, online shops, AI demos, even sketchy websites. Then there's the case of Anime Glow, a Ghibli-style app that blew up on X in February 2025. Users loved it until it vanished overnight. A Vice article later revealed the app was linked to a company with zero online footprint. Where did those selfies go? Nobody knows, but X users are still freaking out about it. These aren't just glitches, they're red flags. Every time you use a Ghibli filter, you're rolling the dice with your privacy, and the house always wins. How to protect yourself? Alright, I'm not here to scare you and run. You can have fun with filters without getting burned. First, always check the app's privacy policy. If it mentions sharing your data with third parties or sounds super vague, ditch it. Stick to well-known platforms, but even then, stay sharp. Second, don't upload clear selfies. Some apps let you use a cartoon or blurry pic instead. Do that. It's less useful to data grabbers. Also, search the app's name on X before downloading. Users are quick to expose the shady ones. Third, turn off permissions. Don't let apps access your camera roll or location unless they have to. A 2025 CNET article said this slashes data collection big time. And if you've already used a Ghibli filter, delete your uploads from the app as soon as possible. Most let you do it in the settings. Hunt for it. Why this matters. Here's the big picture. Ghibli AI is just one piece of a massive puzzle. Every time you use a filter, play an online game, or shop on the internet, someone's collecting data. These cute apps are part of a system that's always watching, always learning. A 2025 Pew Research study found 85% of people feel powerless to protect their privacy online. That's messed up, but it's not game over. By calling out tricks like Ghibli AI, we can demand better. Push for clearer laws, demand apps be honest, and spread the word. Imagine a world where you can rock a Ghibli filter and keep your data safe. That's the goal, and it starts with us. Let's bring it home. So there you go, the shady truth about Ghibli AI. Those dreamy filters might look like a ticket to Miyazaki's world, but they're really a sneaky way to snatch your face. Companies are playing on your love for Ghibli's magic, hiding their real intentions behind sparkles and nostalgia. But now you're in the know. Next time you're tempted to try a Ghibli filter, stop and think, is this worth my privacy? Maybe grab a real Totoro plushie instead. It's just as cute and way less risky. What about you? Have you used these filters? Seen any sketchy apps? Drop a comment and let's talk. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your crew. Let's keep exposing the truth together. Until next time, stay smart, stay safe, and keep your face yours. Peace out.